Lately I've been reminiscing about the time when you were kissing me, how I used to hold you tight in the middle of the night. I'm walking down this empty street, can't help but feel incomplete without you.